Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will see how you can open your email client by clicking a button. And we will also see how you can auto-populate the email address, subject and body when the button is being clicked. So do you know in Articulate Storyline, you have the option to click a button which will open up your email client. So let's add a button by going to Insert, Controls, Buttons, okay, and I can name it as Email. Now I can put a trigger which says add trigger. Okay, I want this to send email to my email address, which is storyline2tips@gmail.com when user clicks button 1. So I can click it as it is. You cannot preview it because it needs to be published. If I try to preview this slide and if I click the button, it will not work. Let me show you. Okay, so it says that email support is not available while previewing. We knew it, so we can publish this. I can go to home, publish. I can leave as the settings as is and just publish for web and see how it looks like. Okay, so the moment I click a button, it should open up my email client. If it is Outlook or anything, that should open up. Okay, so the moment I click the button, my Outlook open, the email address is already there. Now in the second stage, if there is a requirement where you want the subject to also be there and the body should also be there, so the learner need not have to type these things as well. They can just type whatever else is required. I can do that as well. Let's see how we can do it. I can go back to my file and I can double click on the trigger which says send email to my email address when user clicks button 1. Now I can just modify this a bit, which says question mark, and then I can add subject, and under subject I can write subject equals about Articulate Storyline. Okay, now I also want something to come up in the body. So if you want to add body text, just put the ampersand sign and type body equals. Now whatever you type after this would show up as the body of your email. So just type something like best rapid e-learning development software. Okay, so it should open the Outlook or any of my email client. It should have my email address that is auto-populated with the subject which says about Articulate Storyline, and it should say the body as about best rapid e-learning development software. So I need to publish it once again. I can leave all the settings as it is. Okay, let's see how it works now. Okay, I can see my project. Okay, now as I click the button, my Outlook would open. As you see here, my email address to which I want to send the mail is here. Subject line is also auto-populated which says about Articulate Storyline, and the text here is the body which says best rapid e-learning development software. So you see how simple it is. Many times it is helpful because you want all the learners to send the email to some particular address. The subject line should not change, and the body should also give them some idea about what they need to write. So keep practicing, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.